Done.
Yep, I will check. And we learn to simplify, okay?
Okay. Oh,
Anyway, why you are late today?
hi, sir.
Hi. Why you are late today?
I forgot about class, so
Okay. Yeah, no problem. Okay, cross check answers here.
okay.
Yeah, class started for more. Yeah.
Sir, should I do the simplifying?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can join. Okay. Yeah, we have to simplify this. Check this answer.
Okay. Wait a minute. My cousin's crying.
So divided by 3.
Sir, I'll be right back like in 1 minute.
Okay.
in the class. Sir, how can the seventh one be simplified?
Let me check. If we cannot further simplify, we have to copy the same answer. We have to leave it there. Yeah, here we need not. By mistake, I had written there equal to sign. Yeah, is
Cadence,
Cadence,
are you a good artist?
Cadence,
Yeah, I would say so.
yeah, so here we cannot simplify the cadence.
Yes.
We cannot further simplify this. We have to leave it there. We have to leave it there. We cannot further simplify. This is correct. Okay.
Okay.
By mistake, I wrote equal to sign for all the answers. And this thing I asked you to cross check. Here you went to you check this one. What is the answer here? This also. Maybe check these two sums. Sixth
I
and
didn't write them though.
why?
Oh, I thought you meant like I wrote them and I got them wrong.
Okay, she did them, and here she did a mistake or maybe incomplete answer. She copied
By 3.
incomplete answer.
Sir, I don't
Hmm.
get how you can divide 63 by 3.
We can divide 21. 3 times 2, 3 times 1.
Can I write it to show her real quick?
And guys, listen. Here I will tell some easy techniques. Yeah, everyone pay attention. So at least some of these questions. Sixth one, there is one easy method. So second one also one very easy method. 7 is there in the numerator, 7 is there in the denominator. So the answer is just 3 by 9. Are you getting? Here 4 is there in the numerator, 4 is there in the denominator. So the answer is just 3 by 8. You need not do anything. Easy?
Very.
So this is called simplification. Did we discuss simplification? Of course. we were doing. No? So here we can simplify first. Then we can multiply next. Okay. Simplify first, multiply next. Like this also we can do. Or ulta also we can
Like
do.
in the first one, you cut out both of the ones and it'll just be 4 by 11.
Yes. So this one is better. What multiply first and simplify next. Which is better? Hmm. This method is preferred. This method is preferred. Note it down. Okay, this method is preferred. Why this is preferred? Tell me.
Because it's easier.
Yes, as I have shown you one question second, we are doing nothing. Just copying the numbers there. This is the answer itself, and we are done. But if you do the general method, then what we have to do? 7 times 3 is 21. Then 9 times 7 is 63. Again, you are dividing by 3. And there may be a mistake. Wait. Yeah, still we have to do. Still I have to divide by 7. 21 by, yeah, still we have to simplify here. Yep, here also still we have to simplify. This is incomplete, but we reduce the number of steps. So here 3 times 1, 3 times 3. Okay, this is the final answer. It reduces the number of steps. So this is the final answer. And here again I have to divide by 7. Again I have to divide by 7. So 7 times 1, 7 times 3. So both answers are same, but here it is little difficult because we are working with bigger numbers. We are working with bigger numbers. Here we are working with smaller numbers. Fine. Write down this. So this is very important. Write it down. Cadence, have we discussed the simplification method?
What did you say?
Simplifying. This simplification process. How to simplify. Have we discussed? How
Yeah.
to reduce? How to reduce? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Note down this. Note down this. These examples also. These two examples.
Sir,
Yes.
when you were younger, have you been gone from a parent like longer than like 10 days?
Yes, of course. Longer than 10 days.
Yeah, because I am in Oklahoma and then my dad isn't with me right now. Longest vacation I've went to is like India. I went there for 1 month.
Mm.
Like I always go to
Mm.
India for 1 month because like that's my religion, so I always go there.
Hmm.
Yeah, I really miss my dad though, because it feels longer, honestly. Even though we're leaving in like 5 days, I think. It happens to me like a lot of times. Like one time, my dad he left for like a vacation with like basically my uncle. I mean, basically like my cousin's dad,
Yeah.
and then yeah, for a long time, really, really long time.
Okay,
Usually,
guys. Okay, Cadence. Yep. Continue. So no diversions. Okay. I hope you copied this, na?
yeah, I did.
Hmm.
Yeah. Why is my 8 still there? Why is it just floating there everywhere?
Yep.
You deleted it.
Write these answers. Write these answers. And because you two guys are only, so one can do.
But
Cadence, you do the right side and Nivi left side.
okay. Okay.
Yep. Stick to that. Maybe Moksha will join shortly. And here, yeah, okay. You continue whatever easy for you. You have to simplify.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
Hmm? No, I didn't say anything. I said 6.
Okay.
Who?
Still you have to.
One. Yeah, I need help
Here,
with the
here,
fifth sum.
how you got to 12 here?
Because 6 times 12 is 72.
You are dividing by what number?
Oh.
Are you dividing by 6? If you divide by 6, then you have to change the numerator. Here 6 is correct.
Yeah, I need help
And
with the fifth.
change the numerator. Here also you are dividing by 6. Change the numerator. You got my point?
Mm-hmm.
Cadence?
Yes.
Hmm. You are doing mistakes in a hurry. How you get 1 by 6 here? Hmm. We cannot simplify. This is right. Then this is wrong. Are you getting? How you got 6 here again? Hmm? Pay attention what you are doing. Do not get diverted. If you do not pay attention, what you have to do? Yeah, you can divide by 6. Guys, listen. Listen. So here you can divide by 6. You can write down this step if you want. Then if you divide by 6, what will happen? 6 times 2. Then 6 times 12. But still you can continue. What will be the final answer? 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 by 6. Okay. Is the final answer. Then
Sir, I need help
where this
at the
one?
fifth sum.
Tell me, you try. You have to check the ending digit.
What do you
Hmm.
divide it by?
You tell me which table you will have 0 and 5s. Which multiplication table you will have 0 and 5s. Hmm? 0 and 5s. Which table you will have? Cadence. Which
Yes.
multiplication table? Which table you will have 0 and 5 ending?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you properly.
Multiplication table that has 0 and 5 times tables.
Ow. You want me to write?
Hmm. Which times table has 0 and 5. 5 table. 5 table.
Wow.
Louis? Yes or no?
Understand. Yeah, but like it doesn't have the alone number. Yeah.
5 table. So what you can do? You can divide by 5. You can divide by 5. Continue.
I thought it was wrong because like you can do it, but then 70 is bigger than 50. So I thought you couldn't.
70 is a bigger number. You can divide by 5. Do not get confused. Finish that.
Oh, okay.
Finish that. Do not get confused. Then still you can 12. How you get 12 there? Do division. 70 divided by 5. 5 times
Sorry,
1.
that was
5.
14.
Then 20. 20 how many times you can divide? 4. Yes. Write down the answer. If you have done a mistake, guys, copy the answer. Yeah, copy this one. Whatever you have done a mistake, copy in your notebook. Done. Once you are done, we'll move on to next sum.
Okay, I finished.
Hmm. So we knew about equivalent fractions, okay? We discussed this also. Equivalent fractions. Could you see? I wrote it on the screen. Na? Equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions?
Sir, I can't write like my arrow and I can't write. No, never mind. It's okay.
Okay.
Bruh, my 8 is still there. Let me delete it. Bye-bye. Actually, sir, something's wrong. Every time I
Wait.
delete the 8 or put on the thingy to delete it, I delete it, but then it just pops back up.
1 second.
Maybe you have to wait for a little while.
Wait.
No, sometimes what I do, I just
Wait.
get the color
No,
that the sheet is and then white it out with that
I,
color.
I, I will tell
Oh,
guys
I'll do
because
that then.
sometimes when I am trying to, when I go to the other worksheet, it gives. If I move on to some other worksheet, it gives this problem. 1 second. I will share it again. Yeah, if there is a problem, tell me, we will fix it. Okay. Sometimes, not every time it happens. Okay. So, equivalent fractions. Okay. Yeah, what are equivalent fractions? Nivi, what are equivalent fractions?
Oh, wait. Should I like write it down and then explain?
Hmm.
Okay, so equivalent fractions are like fractions like this. So in those kind of fractions, if they're the same numbers, like 8 and 8, like I just wrote, then you just cross them out and then it will always equal the ones that are not crossed out because like these are not here because you crossed them out.
Wait,
So
wait.
it'll be 7/2.
You should not cross out like this. One top, one bottom. You can cross out, not like this. Okay. Hmm? If it is like this, you can cross out.
Oh, okay.
That is one thing. And equivalent fractions are, you see, you have 8 chocolates and you will get 4 chocolates. Okay, anyway, you and your brother, each one of you will get 4. If you have 80 chocolates, how many will you get? Hmm?
What?
Guys, stop chatting, stop messaging, stop messaging.
If I have 4 chocolates and I get 80?
8 if you have, you will get
Uh-huh.
4. Half of them. If you have 80, how many will you get?
Um,
Not everything for you, na? You and your
20,
brother have
20.
to share.
You'll get 20 if you have 80. If you have 8, then you'll get 2.
Wait, I will give some easy example. Okay, there are 2 chocolates at your home. You will get half of them. How many will you get?
4.
2 chocolates are there. How many will you get? Pay attention. No chatting. 2 chocolates are there at home. How many you will get? Half of them.
Oh,
Because
1. 1.
your brother also will get. That's what I was telling.
May I get some
Listen.
water, please?
Okay.
Thank
If there are 4 chocolates, how many you will get?
2.
2. If there are 6,
3.
3. If there are 10,
5.
5. If there are 20,
10.
these are all called equivalent fractions. Okay?
Okay.
Hmm. And here this is called simplified. This is simplified. All are equivalent. This is the smallest one. Okay. Simplified, and this is smaller values. Okay. Other fractions may have bigger values, and we can simplify them. And all are same. Why all are same? Every time you are getting half of the chocolates. It also half of the chocolates, half of the chocolates. Okay. Okay. Here, whatever number is given, we have to write down. We have to change to this number. Write down that.
Back. By the way, sir, how come the background is now like this weird purple brown thing?
Black. So system changed to default.
Oh,
Hmm.
I think white was better though, honestly.
Okay, good. It highlights, no?
But this is also cool because it makes it
Hmm.
look like a little glowy texture thing.
Yep. Glowing. We can use glowing colors.
Yeah.
Yep. Note down, guys.
Oh, oops. Okay, that's better. The system changed my color to white.
Okay, write it down.
How much could you save by switching?
What just happened?
Sorry, that was my thing. Something happened.
Oh.
Anyway, are you watching YouTube videos?
No, it was
Then
like, so I was like, I pressed some button on my keyboard and then some ad just popped on. And then I paused it and then I deleted that tab and then I went back to Zoom.
Yeah, because honestly, that doesn't seem like something Nivi would be watching, honestly. Sounds like
yeah,
something more
write
for
down,
adults.
guys. Have you written these equivalent fractions and the equivalent to all these numbers?
Yes.
Okay. And whatever number is given, we have to simplify them. Okay. It is called writing the smallest fraction is called simplification. And simplification, how to do simplification? We have to divide numerator and denominator. Okay. So simplify the fractions. Yeah, guys, simplify them. And we may have to do multiple times division. Yep, cadence, right side.
Okay. Sir, is 6 seconds a real thing? Because it doesn't really make sense, honestly. Because now I'm thinking of 6/3.
Hmm. Still you have to simplify, still.
I know.
And anyway, start doing. These are, the first one is very easy.
Third. Okay.
And here again we can write 5. Why we can write 5? Denominator 1 means 5. Okay. Denominator 1 means 5. Ulta. Wrong, this I have not seen. Okay. Wrong, that is divide by 3. Divide by 3, what will you get?
So what would divide the 15 by 17 one?
We have to write the same number because we cannot simplify that. The number given is itself the answer. Fine. And here again, what I was saying, you can write 2. Why? 2 divided by 1 is 2 only.
Yeah.
So write down these things in your notebook.
Okay.
Both the sums. And here it is wrong. The next one is wrong. You are doing mistakes, cadence. You have to pay attention. By what number you are dividing? Here you can directly divide by 12. If you divide by 12, what will you get?
1.
If you divide by 12, if you divide by 12, the denominator you will get 1 and here you will get 5. So this is 5. Answer is 5.
Okay.
Fine? Yes, we got it.
Yeah, I just need to finish copying down.
Okay. I will give worksheets. Done. Okay. Okay. So I understand like there are some homework. Worksheets are still, we have not finished. Okay. Let us finish the homework sums. Okay,
Did the system
right side.
change it to white again?
Yeah, this is worksheet. This is okay. Worksheet is white one. The background is black still. Fine.
Has it always been like that?
This is worksheet, na? Worksheet paper. Paper. So worksheets we made on white background.
Yeah,
Yep.
but has the background always been black?
Yeah, when I did updates on the laptop, then it changed the default settings. Updates when we do
I see.
Windows updates, sometimes it changes automatically.
Cool.
Yep, guys. Anyway, you are doing sketching, you are doing YouTube watching. Wrong, no? Okay, pay attention on what you are learning. You will miss something. Yes, continue. Yes. Cadence not started yet.
Sorry. My thing got a bit laggy. And then I also have a timer that tells me when to join into something. But I don't do that like when I'm in the class, but then I have the song thingy on called
Guys. Okay. Do the sums.
it kind of got me zoned out.
Yeah, after this we'll end today's session. So we are ending some 10 minutes early today. Nivi, still we have to continue here.
Oh yeah.
We still have to continue here. And so you have to write the denominator there only. This also correct. Then this one you have to simplify. Cadence.
Yeah.
And check this. And simplify. So wherever the tick mark is equal to is there, simplify them. I circled them. Yeah, Nivi, you can do these simplifications, 9th and the 9th one.
Okay.
Yes, Cadence, tell me.
Sorry, I got this song stuck in my head. And that makes me want to fall asleep.
Okay. Then the 7th one. Cadence, finish this, we will end today. Yeah, you can also write. And Nivi, you write here. You write this side. You write this side, Nivi. Yeah, there is no space here. You write the other side. Okay. Still we can simplify anyway. We can still simplify. Yes, 1 by 2 is the right answer. 1 by 2 is the right answer. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. We are done for today. Okay. We are ending a little early today. Some.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye.